Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit USDT from Binance into your Exness trading account. If you want to fund your account using crypto, this is one of the fastest and most affordable ways, so let's get right into it. First, log into your Exness account. Enter your email and password, then click Continue. Once you're inside your personal area, click Deposit from the menu on the left side of the screen. Now you're going to see a list of different deposit methods. Since we're using USDT from Binance, choose Crypto Deposits and then select Tether USDT. Make sure to check which blockchain network Exness supports. Most of the time it will be USDT TRC20 because the fees are extremely low. If Exness provides a TRC20 address, always use that one to save money on fees. Once you select the network, Exness will show you your USDT deposit address. This is very important. This is the address where you're going to send your crypto. Copy that address carefully. Now switch over to Binance. Open your Binance wallet and go to Withdraw. Choose USDT as the token. Paste the deposit address you just copied from Exness. Make sure the network matches exactly. If Exness gave you TRC20, choose TRC20 and Binance. If the networks don't match, your funds can be permanently lost. So double check before sending. Now enter the amount of USDT you want to deposit. Binance will show you the network fee. If you use TRC20, it's usually around 1 USDT, super cheap. Confirm the transaction and complete your security verification. Now give it a minute. USDT transfers on TRC20 are usually very fast, anywhere from 30 seconds to a couple of minutes. You can go back to your Exness dashboard and your balance will update automatically once the blockchain confirms the transfer. And that's it! You just successfully deposited USDT from Binance into your Exness trading account and you're ready to start trading. Quick tips. If the funds don't show up, refresh the page and check your transaction hash on the Blockchain Explorer. Also, always triple check the network before sending. That's the most common mistake new traders make. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and comment below if you want a tutorial on how to withdraw profits from Exness back to Binance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.